So,
Yeah. So what do you do? What do you do all the time? So what do you do when you're not here?
Sex?
With who?
you.
Shit. In your dreams.
Oh.
He always fucks with you.
Yeah, I ain't your beau. Yeah, fuck you too.
Right.
So do you like the other side?
Yeah.
Do you like the other side?
Of course.
Of course. What do you do over there?
Do you eat over there?
That's yeah.
Don't tell me you work over there.
He's responding more to Phil.
He was.
Do you work over there? Dad.
Dad. Sound like from a kid.
The kid's saying it. Phil.
Yeah.
You just said Phil.
Is PartheMore here?
You got a whole bunch of other people. Well, I'm getting
Saying
spikes.
things the kid says.
I'm getting spikes here on and off here.
Is PartheMore around? Is Janice PartheMore around? Janice PartheMore, you around?
I'm getting light up.
Ted Beach around? Gary Eaton, you still around?
Yeah.
So what you do all the time on the other side?
I think he said women.
Women. Well,
You just gotta ask
You get to go outside this building, or are you stuck here all the time?
Go.
does your boy still race cars?
Ooh, got spike.
Did
Well, I spiked up the yellow in his throat.
you? No.
Your boy don't race cars no more?
It's not like a woman saying that.
Is that Deb Rice?
No.
Deb Stanley? Ted Beach's sister.
Said Ted.
Ted here? You recording this?
Yeah. Somebody just said Phil.
Yeah, what you want? What the hell is that? What you want?
Help.
What you need help on?
You're already over on the other side.
Gary. Talking through.
What you want? What the fuck is that?
Listening.
One said listening, another one said listening.
I've had spirits have conversations with each other and not answer our damn questions at all. At Randolph.
Because one talked and one said listen. See,
It's like they can't. Is it against the spirit rule or something to talk to us? Yes. Why?
Say one all blank. Hey, let's say you turn this light all the way to the red. I think you've been hitting yellow. I want to see you hit red with this thing. I want to see you light it up.
So what you need help for?
Yeah, that is Gary's voice, though.
Yeah, I know. I can tell him.
Say, look. Start spiking.
So if you passed away, then why didn't you go to the light? Is there evil spirits over there too?
They say God.
God or yeah, I'm not too sure. Is there evil spirits on the other side?
So who is here with us right now? Gary. Phil. You.
Sounds like
God again. But
yeah, it sounds like God. Is God nice?
Some people don't shit.
You may not make it there, buddy. So are you just like in limbo? Is that why you can't go?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So are you waiting for God to open the gate and come to you?
They say bull.
Something like it. So is there a bunch of spirits there waiting for this to happen? Yeah. Yeah.
Sound like I think.
I think.
I heard yeah. Well, it'd been going since 2000. 2006.
Does time go real slow over there, or does it go real fast? Or does it go the same?
Slow. Same or slow?
Can you see the things we see?
Every time Gary comes through, this thing will spike up to yellow.
Oh, does it?
Yeah. So he's like right in. He'll be like right in with us.
So, Gary, you just waiting for your time?
Who was Gary's friend we used to hang out with him all the time?
Toad?
Yeah, Toad. Is he alive still?
Yeah.
Hey Gary, do you still visit Toad? Do you go see Toad still? He ain't coming through. There he goes, see?
What do you say?
I didn't catch what
I
you
didn't
said.
catch what he said, but when
What do you say, Gary?
once he goes through, it'll start spiking. There, see?
Hey, Gary. Will I ever get married?
Got it.
Got it?
So, got it.
Doubt it?
Gary, what town did you used to live in? What town did you live in, Gary?
Millerstown?
I'm getting spawned like yellow. So.
Let's see something real quick.
Still.
Just make sure,
Yeah, it ain't that. Cause look, I'll go up here, but it's like lower. Unless. Say, Greg.
Gary, anything you guys want to say?
Put this away.
What can you tell us about the other side that we don't know?
My phone keeps fading in and out.
Your phone is fading in now.
Like, it'll go blurry, but it'll pick back up. What town are we in? What town are we in right now?
There's nothing out there.
About time to cut it and go somewhere else and try.
Like,
Yeah, because right now we're just getting a bunch of random. We get a bunch of random. No. Might as well